Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new product release. You may have seen some of our Jeeps on the really tall display stands at some of our vendor shows. We've had quite a few people asking if we would produce them for their own displaying or working on or flexing of their own Jeep or truck or whatever vehicle. So we've got a smaller version, snapped together, super easy, smaller. They can get pretty sketchy when they get really tall, so it usually takes 2 or 3 of us to get them up on the ramp, get everything stable. These ones come with your steel tops, come with your ramp, easy to carry, easy to snap together. So we're going to show you how to put it together real quick, super easy. And then we've got our new Gladiator 8-inch long arm kit on Josh, one of the owners' Glads, and then we're going to pop it up on there and show you how it looks. So again, kit's going to come with 4 aluminum plates, steel top plate, 4 linch pins, big tire decal if you want to throw it on there, you want to throw it in the shop, that's up to you. So 2 of them are going to have the hook slots, 2 are just going to have the channels. Pop them together, drop it in. Make sure your emblems are out so I don't get yelled at. Top plate drops in, can only go on one way. And we got our linch pins here, gonna go right in the end and cap around that top plate. So then this will be the front of our stand. If you look on the side, the sides with the hooks have our 2 notches here. So we got notches front and back for our steel ramp that's powder coated black. We're gonna come straight in, into the hooks, and drop down. So pretty easy to assemble, pretty easy to disassemble. We're going to take this outside and put the 8-inch Gladiator, lifted Gladiator with the 40s on it, and show you guys how it holds together. All right, 4 low, 8-inch Gladiator on 40s. So got her up there nice and simple. 4 low makes it easier just so you have a little more control crawling up there. I'm sure you guys know that. The reason we have that little lip stepping up onto the top is so once you got your Jeep up there, you're able to remove that. So leave it that way, leave it on there, up to you. What do you think, camera guys? Should we do a front and back crisscross flex? Let's do it. Sway bar disconnected. So we're messing with the boss's Jeep a little bit. He's got all these fancy buttons in here because it's a Rubicon, so you can disconnect the sway bar, you can put it in off-road plus. No idea what most of that means. I know what a sway bar disconnect is, which we have tested. If you actually have sway bar disconnect links versus just the sway bar disconnect, you'll flex out more with a sway bar disconnecting link than a disconnecting of the sway bar. Little nugget for you guys. All right, so we've got one front left and back right. Right, camera guy?
That's right.
All righty. Not bad for little 2 foot stands on 40s. Hey, camera guy, how much do you think our new Dodge work truck will flex out on this thing?
Not much.
Not much?
It's really heavy.
She'll hold. Let's grab the diesel.
Wait, let's take a...
So just to show you guys the strength of this thing, we've got our 2024 Dodge Ram with a Cummins. We'll see how this goes. Just plastics. The truck is kicking it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is the truck stopping you?
Yeah. Is it?
Say it so that here.
We floating a tire back there? Close?
Yeah, it's floating.
How's the stand look?
Stand looks good.
So yeah, it'll hold any one of your Jeeps with LS swaps and ton axles, whatever you want to throw on there. Have at it.
Oops.
Oops. What's that mean? What do you mean?
No, I got it. Some jerk didn't put.
Is it broke?
It's fine. I just cracked the air dam.
Well, held up to the diesel Dodge just fine. Flexes out really nice with our 8-inch JL on 40s. So whatever you guys want to use them for, get them on the website, ironrockoffroad.com. Thanks for hanging out.